Hey guys, it's Lana Marie, and today we're going to make over this boring, dusty, dingy patio. So if you want to see how it turns out, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey guys, so I really wanted to get my patio together and get it to looking like a really cute outdoor oasis like I wanted it to be. So this patio set that my mom left us, it was like a green color and I wanted to spray paint it black, so we wiped it down and cleaned off all the chairs and got it together. I used the Rust-Oleum flat black color to get the look I was going for. I had to end up buying about 8 to 10 cans. I did use all the cans. I think I only had like a little bit left in the last can that I had, but pretty much I spray painted the whole chairs, got all the cracks and crevices of the chairs to give it that black flat look. This railing by the edge of our patio was really rusted and it did not look clean, fresh at all. So I wanted to use this Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer spray paint. I will spray paint anything. So when I found this at Menards, I was definitely gonna try it out. So I used this to see how it would work on it, and it worked pretty well. I wanted a black and white rug, outdoor rug that was easy to clean. I only wanted to be able to have to rinse it off with the water hose. So I found this great, amazing patio rug from Wayfair. I believe I got the 8x10 size, and it was only $103, which was much cheaper compared to a lot of the other outdoor patio rugs I saw. I ended up also getting the runner for right outside of my patio door, and this one was $40, and it was a 2x7. I knew I wanted an offset umbrella, but I was torn between two different ones that I had saw. I ended up going for the one at Home Depot. I believe it's the Hampton Bay brand, and you'll see more of the details of it later on in the video. I also got my fire pit from Home Depot. I was looking at a few different ones, but I decided to get this one based upon the fact that it was rectangle and it was sleek. It was a darker color that went with the vibe I was going for my patio, and I like that it was also, you can make it into a table when you're not using it as the fire pit. They did also give you the fire pebbles, and they gave me 2 bags. I only used about 1.5 though. These patio cushions are from Target. I had to go to about 3 Targets to find these. They were sold out. This specific color was sold out at a lot of different locations, so I was only able to find like 1 or 2 there, and I needed a total of 6. I ended up finding 7 because the last 2 I found were on clearance for only $12 each. The rest of them were about $24. The patio cushions are water resistant, fade resistant, but I did also want to give extra protection, so I did use the outdoor protection Scotch Guard on them as well, and that has worked out really well. The pillows I got from a couple of different locations. These are from Walmart. These are also from Walmart, and these were for Home Goods. They were on clearance. So here we are, my outdoor oasis that I am in love with. I come out here almost every day just to kind of enjoy the vibe, relax, do some work. I let the little one play sometimes out in the yard. It's just really a relaxing, wonderful area to just come out and just chill at. These chairs came out so great. They look like brand new chairs, and then with the chair cushions, it just gives it a whole different look. I really love that I kept these in. It saved me a lot of money because most patio sets was about $700-800 up to $1,500. This umbrella covers about half of our patio, but I love it, especially when I use the LED lights that it came with. Those really are nice even at nighttime, but it gives you really good shade in the morning. Most of the patio decor I found at either At Home Goods, or Hobby Lobby. I did get the citronella candles from Walmart, but a lot of the stuff I was able to find at those other stores. Like I said, I really love the choice I made on this legacy heating fire pit. It's really convenient. I love how it turns into a table when it's not being used as a fire pit, and it has the options of being at low heat or higher if you want a little bit more warmth, because it gets pretty hot when it's at this level. So that would probably be more so used for the fall, not the summertime right now. I was so excited to find these solar powered lights at Target because I do not have an outdoor outlet, so it helped that these are powered and charged by the sun and then comes on automatically at night. My whole outdoors looks so pretty, and this is how it looks at dusk. It just looks really nice and inviting and warm. So I really love it, and I love how it came out. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will be bringing more home decor videos to you all, as well as some more beauty and lifestyle. All right, thanks for watching.